Contemporary shelving units have become a staple in modern living spaces, offering a range of benefits that enhance both functionality and aesthetics. These versatile pieces of furniture can transform a room, providing practical storage solutions while also serving as decorative elements. The use of contemporary shelving units reflects current design trends that prioritize clean lines, minimalism, and open spaces, making them ideal for various interior styles. One of the primary advantages of contemporary shelving units is their ability to maximize vertical space. In homes where square footage is limited, utilizing wall space effectively can make a significant difference. By drawing the eye upward, shelving units create an illusion of height, making rooms feel more open and spacious. This vertical emphasis allows for the storage and display of items without cluttering the floor, which is particularly beneficial in smaller apartments or homes. By taking advantage of the walls, homeowners can keep their living areas organized while maintaining a sense of airiness. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of stylish contemporary shelving unit design ideas you can incorporate into your living spaces. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Contemporary shelving units are also highly customizable, allowing individuals to personalize their living spaces according to their tastes and needs. Many modern designs incorporate modular components, enabling users to rearrange or expand shelving configurations as their requirements change. This adaptability is especially advantageous for those who frequently update their home decor or have evolving storage needs. For instance, a contemporary shelving unit can easily transition from a display for books and decorative items to a functional storage space for office supplies or children's toys. This flexibility not only accommodates changing lifestyles, but also ensures that the investment remains relevant over time. In addition to their practical benefits, contemporary shelving units serve as significant design elements within a home. Their sleek, modern aesthetic can seamlessly integrate into various interior styles, from minimalist to industrial or bohemian. The use of materials such as wood, metal, and glass in contemporary shelving designs allows for a harmonious blend of textures and finishes, contributing to the overall visual appeal of a space. Homeowners can choose shelving units that align with their existing decor, enhancing the room's character while adding a touch of sophistication. The versatility of contemporary shelving units extends to their multifunctionality. Beyond mere storage, these units can be used creatively to divide spaces within an open floor plan. For example, a tall shelving unit can serve as a room divider, creating separate areas for living and dining while maintaining an open feel. This use of shelving as a partition allows for privacy without sacrificing light or flow, making it an ideal solution for modern living spaces that embrace open layouts. Additionally, contemporary shelving can be used to display plants, artwork, or personal collections, contributing to the overall aesthetic while providing functional benefits. Another advantage is the ease of organization that contemporary shelving units promote. With designated spaces for books, decor, and everyday items, these units encourage neatness and order in living areas. By providing a place for everything, homeowners can reduce clutter and create a more serene environment. Shelving units often come with adjustable shelves, allowing users to customize the height and spacing according to the items they wish to store. This adaptability makes it easier to organize belongings in a way that is both functional and visually pleasing, enhancing the overall quality of the living space. Contemporary shelving units also encourage creativity in how we display our belongings. The open nature of most modern designs allows for an artistic arrangement of items, transforming storage into a form of self-expression. Homeowners can curate displays that reflect their personality, using books, art pieces, and decorative objects to create visually engaging compositions. This decorative potential not only beautifies the space, but also allows individuals to showcase their interests and passions, making the living area feel more like home. Furthermore, contemporary shelving units can be an effective way to incorporate elements of biophilic design into a home. By including plants within the shelving arrangement, homeowners can enhance their living spaces with natural elements that promote well-being. Plants improve air quality and add a touch of greenery, creating a fresh and inviting atmosphere. The combination of wood and living plants can further enhance the organic feel of a room, contributing to a calming and rejuvenating environment. In terms of maintenance, contemporary shelving units often require minimal upkeep. Many modern designs are crafted from durable materials that can withstand wear and tear, ensuring longevity. For instance, metal and treated wood are often resistant to scratches and stains, making them practical choices for busy households. Regular dusting and occasional cleaning are generally all that is needed to keep these units looking their best. This ease of maintenance makes contemporary shelving an appealing option for those seeking both beauty and practicality in their living spaces. The economic benefits of contemporary shelving units should not be overlooked. Investing in well-designed shelving can be a cost-effective way to enhance the functionality and appearance of a home. Instead of purchasing multiple pieces of furniture for storage and display, a single shelving unit can serve multiple purposes, reducing the need for additional items. This efficiency not only saves money, but also contributes to a more streamlined and organized living environment. Moreover, contemporary shelving units can increase the value of a home. Well-designed and strategically placed shelving can enhance the overall appeal of a space, making it more attractive to potential buyers. Another important aspect of contemporary shelving units is their contribution to a sustainable lifestyle. Many modern designs are made from sustainably sourced materials, reflecting a growing awareness of environmental responsibility in home decor. By choosing eco-friendly options, homeowners can create beautiful living spaces while minimizing their ecological footprint. This commitment to sustainability not only benefits the environment, but can also resonate with like-minded individuals, fostering a sense of community and shared values. The ability to repurpose and reconfigure contemporary shelving units adds to their appeal. As life circumstances change, such as moving to a new home or adjusting to a new family dynamic, these units can be easily adapted to fit new spaces and needs. This longevity in design ensures that homeowners can continue to use their shelving units over time, making them a worthwhile investment. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked, stylish, contemporary shelving unit design ideas you can incorporate into your living spaces. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.